Hi friends, in this video we will understand about Adobe I/O and how to do authentication using JWT token with custom applications. Here we will see the use case of Adobe I/O integration with the AEM Cloud Manager. Adobe I/O helps to create event-driven architecture to enable real-time customer behavior. Based on customer action, we can trigger real-time events to decide on further actions. Adobe I/O is a serverless platform where all developer tools can extend and integrate with Adobe Cloud Platform. This is basically an API-first design approach which provides rich APIs to work with data, content, and artificial intelligence. As you see here, the Adobe I/O plays a gateway interface between Adobe Cloud and other third-party applications. Here we are going to explore a use case of connecting to AEM as a cloud service to other applications via Adobe I/O. I'll give a partial demo on how this can be achieved using Postman tool. Below given the steps for this demo. First of all, we will configure the Adobe I/O. Here we will create integration within the Adobe I/O console. Then we will generate the JWT token. As a next step, we will exchange the JWT token for an access bearer token using the Postman and authenticate using the bearer token. And finally, using this access bearer token, we will run the API calls. At present, I am in the Adobe I/O reference page. This page gives a good idea on how to work with the APIs via the documentation section and API reference. If you go to the documentation, you will have all the relevant information like how do we get started, how do we use the Cloud Manager API, and what are all the different tutorials available, how do we use the command line interface and work with the SDKs. Once you go to the API reference section, you get a list of all the APIs available within the Adobe Cloud Manager. So once you click on that, you will get the signature of the API, how do we execute that, and what is the response format. So using this as a reference, you will be able to proceed with further development. From this section, you can see that there is a Swagger file which you can download and you can just import into your Postman and start working with the Cloud Manager. I have logged into the developer console of Adobe I/O, which is basically the console.adobe.io. I need to click on create a new project. Click on the edit project and name the project. Once that is done, you will have to click on add to project and select the API. Since I'm going to work with the Adobe Cloud Manager, I'll go to the Cloud Manager section, select it, click on next. Here you have two options, either generate a key pair or upload the public key which you have created. So I'll go for the generate key pair. I'll be downloading the file to my local machine. Once that is done, I'll go for next. I'll select the developer cloud service and click on save configured API. In the next step, we'll have to generate the JWT token. For that, go to service account. I'll go within the config folder, which I have downloaded now. You can see there is a certificate and a private key. So I'll open the private key file. Now I'll copy this content. And go back to the tab generate JWT token. I'll paste the copied private key here. Click on generate. Now you can see that generated JWT and a sample curl command here. I'll just copy all these details for the later use. I'll come back to the credential details and copy the client ID, client secret, and the organization ID. Here you can see the sample items which I have copied. I have the client ID, client secret, organization ID, and generated JWT token. The next step is we'll have to create a bearer token using this generated JWT. Now I am in my Postman application. So I have selected the post with the Adobe URL and the form data on the body section, wherein I am providing the client ID, client secret, and JWT token. I'll click on the send. You can see that the token type is a bearer. I have the response as the token type is bearer and the access token. So basically what we have done is we have exchanged our JWT token and received the bearer token now. Next step is I had to copy the bearer token. I have saved the bearer token for my future use. The next step is importing the YAML file which I have downloaded. That file contains all the Postman related APIs, which is ready-made, and I will be able to call the Cloud Manager API directly using this collection. Since I have already installed those collection, I won't be doing that. You can see here there is a Cloud Manager API section, and there are different APIs which are available. The APIs are like get the program, delete program, list repositories, get repository, list branches, list pipeline, get pipeline. Now all the API related to Cloud Manager are available here. So I'll just go for the get program. You can see that the URLs are already populated. I'll have to go for the authentication here. You can the pre-filled header is available. So what I'll have to do is I'll have to provide the additional details. What are the variable defined like organization ID, authorization, and API key. So I'll just go ahead and edit this with my copy details. And since authorization is bearer token, I'll have to select bearer and paste the token here. Once all these details are filled in, I'll click on send. And you can see that responses come here with all the program related information. Similar way, you have different APIs. You can just open that one and update the parameter. And then you will be able to run those APIs. Thanks for watching.